Hi Body Buds, I'm Kristy Jo. I am the founder of Body Buddies and author of The Power Foods Lifestyle. Today we're talking about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Here at Body Buddies, I'm always saying ACV, it's just easier. So let me tell you, this is very effective. If you have a high A1C, you're pre-diabetic, maybe you even already have type 2 diabetes, this is going to be something you want to pay attention to. If you have any form of digestive distress, if you have acid reflux, if you want to just feel better and you want to ward off cravings, if you want to just know that you're doing something beneficial for cleansing the organs in your body, particularly the liver. Liver cleanses your blood every 6 seconds. This is a drink that I use to help all of my body buddies to get off of soda. Let's be honest, the emotional need for a soda, sometimes mid-afternoon, sometimes mid-morning, you just need something fun. And let's look at the emotional implications of what we want. We can talk nutrition till we're blue in the face, but reality of application is what we do here at Body Buddies. So psychologically, let's get you drinking something that not only is going to help lower A1C, improve insulin resistance so that your body can actually respond to insulin rather than packing away any glucose or unwarranted carbohydrates or sugars into body fat, help you really soothe some digestive distress, detoxify your body, prevent free radicals from latching onto things in your body they shouldn't. That's what causes inflammation, the root cause of all disease. Also helping to cleanse your gums, and if you're prone to canker sores and things like that. I mean, there's so many benefits to apple cider vinegar. So you can download, I have 2 versions of an ACV drink. The first version you can get at powerfoodsdetox.com/drink. And this is where I will have you combine a few different products and amino acids, some collagen together. I'll tell you exactly what to do, but that's going to help repair leaky gut. Don't have time to go into that today, but do have other videos on that. And so that is a great thing to do, but this is more of a soda replacer. I drink 2 to 3 of these per day. I recommend not doing more than 3. Just due to the fact that it's a lot of acid on your teeth, and unless you're brushing your teeth right after, eventually that could wear and tear on your teeth. But as far as in the body, as long as you're not drinking a ton of apple cider vinegar at one time, no problem to do 2, 3, 4 servings a day. You'll be fine. So apple cider vinegar, a few things about it. You need to make sure that you are getting the type with the mother, okay? So what this is, the mother, it's basically a bunch of, this is unpasteurized, unfiltered apple juice. So the mother, if you can see in here, let me see if I can show you this. This is this cloud of enzymes and pectin and stuff. So you really need to make sure you're buying the legit apple cider vinegar, because that's the whole benefit. That's your probiotics and enzymes. Okay, so you really do need to make sure you shake this well before you distribute. So here you can see I have glass bottles. Glass is better than plastic. So this is the original drink we're recreating by Bragg's. This cost me $3 to $3.50, when I go in the store and just buy this. And so I went on a mission to figure out how I could recreate this drink and save a few bucks. So you can see these are kombucha bottles. I do drink kombucha 2 to 3 times per week for a healthy gut. And those probiotics, you want to make sure you get a low sugar one. So just keep that in mind. Okay, but let's talk about how easy this drink is to make. Now, the reason I make this drink is because it's a much more enjoyable way to drink apple cider vinegar. If you just want to straight shot it like this, be my guest. But most of us, we want an enjoyable beverage, right? So I call these bloops. We're gonna do 2 bloops. I do this every single morning. When I make my breakfast, I get out my glass bottles and I fill them up. I put them all in the fridge, or if I'm gonna be on the go, I can grab them. If you're going to work, take them to work, take them with you, but you need to get in the habit. This is a ritual you do every day. Bloop. Oops, spill a little bit there. Bloop. You're probably more talented at this than I don't mind cleaning the counter. Bloop. So it's approximately a tablespoon. Okay. All right. Next step, we're going to add some cinnamon. Cinnamon has so many wonderful properties. I'm going to need 1/8 of a teaspoon. Oh, found that right here. All right. 1/8 of a teaspoon. So these are all, how many ounces? 16 fluid ounces. The original ACV drink. Yeah, that's all of these are 16 ounces. So 1/8 of a teaspoon per 16 ounce. Broop, broop, broop. Now the key is the cinnamon won't distribute well. So before you go to drink it every time, I'd recommend you shake it very, very well. Now, to sweeten this, you could do a raw honey. However, many of the people I am working with were really trying to get glucose down due to inflammatory conditions, autoimmune conditions, headaches, migraines. There's so many symptoms that just mean we gotta get all glucose down. So I would recommend you get stevia. These are little stevia packets. There's several brands out there. Just make sure it is a good quality kind. So this is in the raw. I'm not, supported by any of these companies. I'm happy to show you the brands that I use that I love. So I have no problem, letting you know good brands when I spot them. I'm all about helping you, and I would like you to find solutions. And I know that you have the power to do this, but we have to basically get your brain on board. We need to create some rituals that are repeatable, that you don't have to think too hard about, because you could do this for 2 days, but if you're not going to repeat the habit, it doesn't matter how many awesome benefits of apple cider vinegar you logically know about, you will not be reaping the benefits. So I need you to get consistent. Even if it's 1 drink per day, that's perfectly fine by me. The habit is going to be really critical. Now, when it comes to acid reflux, I know it seems counterintuitive to put a vinegar in your body, but the fact is acid reflux happens because you're actually low in stomach acid, okay? Not because you have too much. So the worst thing you could do is an antacid or Tums. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. I take my clients through it. They will tell you it's true, and they will show you the efficacy of these statements, but only you can reap the benefits when you take that plunge. So here is where I'll just screw on the tops really tight. I usually store mine upside down. You don't have to, but it's just a fun habit I started, and habits die hard. So get the ritual going. I can't tell you how much you will learn to love this and enjoy this, and maybe you'll even find a unique way to make it that works for you. If so, please share it in our free community over at powerfoodslifestylechampions.com.